Welcome back, folks. This is Steve KM9G, and we are looking at a login dump of what's going on with this machine. This is the Xiegu X6100 transceiver, and I haven't gotten the login yet, but I'm getting pretty close. So Xiegu Tech X6100, we're starting the kernel, and we've got some information here that will be useful for you folks at home that are playing along. Linux version 5.8.9, it's running an ARM processor. It's a ARM v7, and it has 1 gig of memory. It's got 4 CPUs in it, 4 cores in it. Let's keep scrolling down here and see what else we got. I'll give it a pause. Some of you guys will see stuff on the screen here and know what's going on. I don't think I found which version of Linux it's running on. I'm doing this kind of live. I've done just a real quick look, but I'm going a little bit deeper here with you folks at home. Breaking news, as they say. I saw that it was running Nginx, which is kind of interesting. It's got advanced Linux sound architecture, also support. Clock source. I did notice the clock couldn't keep time as well as I wanted it to, but that will be fixed once we get TCP/IP up and running. Let's see. Registered named Unix socket for RPC. NFS. I saw FTP. TTY0 disabled. Got a built-in memory card, kind of the same way the Raspberry Pi does. We'll see that coming up. That's your USB support right there. Rotary encoder at Rotary 0, at Rotary 1, at Rotary 3. So those are just plain old devices that show up. Watchdog timer. RSB running at... That's a very large number with no commas. That's hard to say. Battery power supply. Who are you calling a dummy? All these regulator dummy things. DLDO1, DLDO2, ALDO, ELDO. DRM display engine. I like seeing DRM. More USB stuff. EXT4FS on MMCBLK2P2. Running EXT4, remounted as root, starting syslog, starting klog, starting syscontrol. USB hub found. Number generator, random seed. SSL certificates. Yep, so it tried to set the clock right away, but couldn't because we haven't figured out how to get this thing onto Wi-Fi yet. So there's the NTP daemon started. There's Ham alert telling me somebody interesting is on the air. There's Nginx, pulse audio. So this thing's got a web server built into it. That'll be interesting to see what we can do with that once we get IP configured. Microphone. Headphones. VSFTPD. User app daemon. And then we're logged in. And, well, we're up and running and we're at the login prompt is what I meant. And that's where we stopped before. And then let's see what happens when I hit the power key and turn the power off. So I'm holding down the power button. Copy of that's from screen. Powering off now. And screen is terminating. Awesome. I'm going to keep playing with this thing. I hope you guys are playing along at home too. So far, this is fun. I got to figure out what the password is. I tried a whole bunch of combinations. I see you guys are putting combinations of user IDs and passwords in the chat. We're going to keep on playing with it, and I will keep you updated as time goes by. Otherwise, there's a video right over there I think you will enjoy. Thanks for being awesome.